Today, I am making a simple, flavorful, home-style marinated chicken that we will roast until it becomes juicy, tender, and perfectly cooked. This recipe uses everyday ingredients like yogurt,
And mix
chicken
it well.
masala, garlic, ginger, and a few basic spices. If you are learning cooking, this is a great recipe to start with because it is easy and always turns out delicious. Let's begin. Preparing the chicken. First, I take clean chicken pieces and place them in a large bowl. You can use drumsticks, thighs, or mixed pieces. Anything you prefer. I make a few small cuts on the chicken so the marinade goes deep inside and gives more flavor. I add thick yoghurt to the bowl.
Black pepper, and mix it well.
Adding the marinade base. Now I start preparing the marinade. Garlic and ginger for flavor. Yogurt helps soften the chicken and makes it juicy when roasted. Next, I add a generous spoon of chicken masala. This gives the chicken a rich color and strong flavor. Then I add garlic and ginger paste. This is one of the most important parts of the marinade. Garlic and ginger add warmth, aroma, and a deep flavor that makes the chicken taste amazing. I mix everything gently so the paste spreads evenly. Adding the spices. This is the corrected part, teaching the audience clearly. Now I add the spices. I add red chili powder for heat, turmeric for color, black pepper for sharpness, and salt to balance the flavor. These are simple spices that most kitchens have, and they make the marinade rich and tasty. You can adjust the amount depending on how spicy or mild you like your chicken. Optional ingredients for extra flavor. You can also add a little lemon juice for freshness, a pinch of garam masala for warmth, and a small amount of oil to help the chicken roast nicely. These ingredients are optional, but they make the marinade richer and more balanced. Mixing the marinade. Now I mix everything with my hands, making sure each piece of chicken is fully coated. The yogurt, spices, and garlic ginger paste blend together beautifully. The chicken already smells delicious even before cooking. Resting the chicken. I cover the bowl and let the chicken rest. You can marinate it for 30 minutes if you are in a hurry, but if you have time, marinate it for 2 to 4 hours. The longer it rests, the softer and tastier the chicken becomes. Preparing to roast. Now it's time to roast the chicken. I preheat the oven and prepare a baking tray. I brush a little oil on the tray so the chicken doesn't stick. Then I place each piece of marinated chicken on the tray, leaving a little space between them so they cook evenly. Roasting the chicken. I put the tray into the oven and let the chicken roast slowly. As it cooks, the yogurt marinade turns into a beautiful coating. The spices become deeper, the garlic and ginger release their aroma. and the chicken becomes soft and juicy inside with a light crisp on the outside.